Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 124 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. That is how this clause came into existence. And today, sir, in this house, we are called upon to support this clause regardless of what the Maharashtrians think about it and regardless of what the Gujaratis think about it. Mr. Deputy Chairman, it pains us when we hear the Honorable Minister talking in one breath with regard to Himachal Pradesh and other states about the People's Bill, and yet when it comes to the question of Gujarat, that right is denied to it. We find today before our eyes the mighty upsurge of the people of Gujarat demanding a linguistic state, and it is perfectly known to the government as to anybody else in the country that the people of Gujarat to a man are opposed to this provision of the bill. And also, sir, the people of Maharashtra are opposed to this bill. Are these not facts? Can you explain why you are ignoring them? I found grave silence on the part of the Home Minister when he spoke in reply to the debate. He had nothing to say about the situation obtaining in Gujarat except to express his feelings for Sri Morarji Bhai Desai. All of us have got feelings for him, but greater are the people of Gujarat. I should have thought that the tumultuous development which is shocking Gujarat to its very depth would have stirred the conscience of the honorable ministers. They should have told us as to what is this thing that is happening there. They should have told the House why they are ignoring the feelings that are coming from Gujarat, that this particular provision has got to be amended. They did nothing of the kind. They remained silent. Mr. Deputy Chairman, in the course of the debate, you know that I tried to find out as to how government's mind was reacting to the developments in Gujarat. Honorable members of the Treasury benches thought that silence was golden in this case. How? Is this the way for a responsible government to function? Is this the way to establish the authority of democracy? Is this the way to present to the parliament, to the people, this question? I should have thought that honorable ministers would give the best of thoughts to the developments in Gujarat even at this late hour and see whether that situation could be met. We wished certain changes in the bill which would be acceptable to the people of Gujarat. A dogmatism has taken possession of them. Once they have decided that a bilingual state should come, they decided that it shall remain. I tell you that you are swimming against currents. You are fighting against the forces of history. Mr. Deputy Chairman, we were surprised to hear the Honorable Home Minister talking about the unanimous verdict of the Lok Sabha. It is true that when the bill was put to vote, finally there was not a single dissenting voice. How could there be? Because there are many provisions in this bill.